I'm at St. Mark's Camponile, which is an Italian freestanding bell tower. It is not connected to the basilica. As you can see below, there is St. Mark's Square that has the oldest cafe in Europe housed in it. As you can see, there's water all around. There's some nice basilicas and churches. If you go over to this side, you can see one of the other islands. You can see there's a ton of boat traffic, gondolas, water taxis, things like that. I really didn't realize that everything here is on water, so all the produce, all the drinks, everything has to be brought in by boat. All the trash needs to be taken out by boat, so definitely a pretty interesting perspective. There's a spiral staircase here that goes to the top. We're not allowed to use, but we're about at the top now. It's 323 feet. Here's St. Mark's Basilica. There's the top, and the Doge Museum. And behind that is one of the famous bridges. There's multiple bells up here. And here is, you can see off in the distance the bridge that links the mainland to Venice. You can drive, you can use a chain. There's a lot of electric coming over. Definitely a pretty awesome spot here.